Hello. Hello.
What's your name? What's your name?
Stan.
And you?
Caillou.
Very good. And how are you today?
Happy. Happy.
Very good. And what's the weather today?
Sunny. Sunny.
And?
Daddy. Cutting.
Very good. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, doctor.
Hello. Hello.
What's your name?
And you?
And you?
Alvaro.
Very good. And how are you?
Good.
Perfect. Okay, can you say healthy foods?
Broccoli. Tomato. Tomato. Banana. Banana.
Perfect. And unhealthy foods?
Cookie. Cookie. Pizza. Pizza.
And
Pancake. Pancake.
very good. Doctors, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, doctors of Anglès School.
Hello. Hello.
What's your name?
Doctor.
And you?
Good. Doctor Bruno.
Very good. How are you?
Good. Good.
Perfect. What steps can we do if someone doesn't respond? One.
Check.
Very good. Two.
Call. Call.
What
One,
number?
two. One. One, two.
Very good. And number three.
And
One.
compare.
Perfect. Dr. Bruno. Thank you, doctors. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to interview two classmates.
Good morning, I am Gala.
Good morning, I'm Irene. Today we're going to discover what Gala and Irene like and what they don't like. Gala, what do you like?
I like ice cream and soup.
I like
Chicken and fries.
ooh, yummy. My favorite food is pizza. Let's see what you don't like.
I don't like broccoli and cheese.
I don't like salad and carrots. Thank you very much for the interview. See you soon.
You're welcome.
A pleasure.
Bye-bye. Hello.
Hi.
Where are you going?
To the swimming pool. I'm going with my class of second grade.
What things are in your bag?
To bring some things for swimming.
What things?
I need a swimming cap, a comb, a swimming suit, a towel, and my flip-flops.
And for your eyes?
Oh yes, and my swimming glasses.
Perfect. You can swim now.
Oh yes, see you.
See you. Have a nice day swimming. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, my name is Dakota and I'm going to interview a singer, Nicholas. Hello, Nicholas.
Hello.
How do you feel being a singer?
I'm happy.
Do you play any instrument?
No, I don't because I sing pop music.
How old were you when you became a singer?
I was 8 years old. I love singing
Nice. Why do you like singing?
because I feel better and is I sing my song.
And do you feel nervous before you sing?
Sometimes.
It was nice to meet you. See you. Oh, I forgot. Where are you from?
I'm from Romania. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, how can I help you? Yes, have you got some apples, lemons, and bananas? Yes, of course. I've got one banana, one lemon, and one apple. Will is it?
It's 5 euros. Do you taste one piece of cake?
Yes, please. Oh, it's delicious. How much is each cake?
It's 7 euros. It's the best cake of Agnès market.
Perfect. I will for me breeder.
Do you want a box for the cake? It's 1 euro.
Nice. Hi, cake. Oh, banana, the lemon, the apple, and the cake for the box.
Oh, it's 13 euros.
Hi, and the wheel 13 euros.
Okay, you have 7 euros. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Ivan. Today we are going to interview Joaquin, a student of Flow B of Agnès City School. Hello, Joaquin.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, how does the class good?
Very good. We are happy with the teachers.
What are your favorite subjects?
And for B, we love subjects. Friday is a free day because have very fun subjects like English, Catalan, music, and arts and crafts.
Perfect. Do you like technology?
Yes, we do. Sometimes we use computers to do cajots and activities classroom.
Great. Your class is good. Bye bye, Joaquin.
Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Suma.
And my name is Levine.
And we want to talk about sailing on the class of grade started sailing practice.
It's an activity that we do every Tuesday, and it's related to boats. We have to bring a swimming suit and clothes to change.
When we finish sailing, we go home. When we do sailing on this beach regatta.
We're going with our PE teacher, Lola.
Yes, we are having a good time doing sailing.
Thanks for listening to us.
Bye, everybody.
Hi, we are Tommy and Kim, students of 6th grade. We are going to save some ways to save water because we are in a big group.
The first way is to turn off the tap when we brush our teeth.
Another way to save water is take short showers because if we take long showers, we spend a lot of water.
We must use half flushes instead of full flushes.
Also, we mustn't leave the tap on when we wash the dishes.
If you do this, the world will be better.
Bye, see you next month.
Bye.
Thank you.